Come on, babe. Come join us.
Yeah, what are you saying?
We're singing. Yeah.
Hi.
Yep. Utada, first love.
Come join us.
Alright, for a little bit.
Say hello, everybody. Hi, my name is Lo Ying.
I'm Jeffrey,
Hi, Melissa.
Yeah.
and we are singing Utada, first love, in Japanese. Ready? Here we go. Sahiko no kisu wa gaba Kono fleila arashi ga niga Kute sesunai garori Ashita no imagoro ni wa あなたはどこにいるんだろう誰を思ってるんだろう You were always gonna be my love いつか誰かとまた恋に落ちても I remember to love You taught me how you are always gonna be the one 今はまだ悲しいそして新しい出るまで
Oh, that's a big jalapeno. Took one too, but
She gone now, she gone now. 動き出そうとしてるされたかない
ことばかり。
の明日の今頃には私はきっと泣いてるあなたを思ってるんだろう You will always be inside my heart いつもあなたがいる場所があるから Now and forever you are still the one 今はまた悲しい新しい歌歌えるまで
Oh! Oh! You were always gonna be my love. いつか
誰かとまた恋にも会う I remember to love you taught me how You are always gonna be you are 悲しい Now and forever Outro. This is the outro. This goes out to all our fans, all 5 of them.
All 5 of them, yes, all 5 of them.
It's from the bottom of our hearts.
Peace out.
Oh!